Welcome back to the channel. Ready to transform your space from May to OMG? Today we dive into a whirlwind of DIY room decor ideas. 50 incredible projects that are super fun and will inject personality and charm into your sanctuary. Whether you're on a budget or just crave a space that screams you, there's something for everyone. Our home should be a reflection of who we are. We'll explore statement wall art, cozy lighting, and unique furniture hacks. Forget cookie-cutter rooms. We're all about bespoke beauty today. So grab your glue guns and fluff up your creative thinking caps. Let's get making, because your dream room is just a few DIYs away. Unleash your inner artist. Grab a canvas, vibrant paints, and maybe a cool stencil to create stunning, personalized wall art. Transform humble mason jars into enchanting light fixtures. Add fairy lights or a small bulb for a cozy, whimsical ambiance. Sew or paint your unique designs onto plain throw pillows to perfectly match your room's specific theme or color scheme. Install sleek floating shelves to stylishly display your favorite books, precious plants, or adorable decorative items, adding a modern touch to your home. Give your terracotta or plain plant pots a fabulous makeover with vibrant paint colors, fun, and quirky patterns. Create a personal photo collage wall with cherished memories. Breathe new life into old, tired furniture with a fresh coat of bold paint or stylish new upholstery fabric. Craft a beautiful dream catcher using simple hoops, colorful strings, and delicate beads to add an instant bohemian flair. Use leftover fabric scraps or your favorite textiles to create unique textured wall hangings, tapestries, or decorative pieces. Enhance your space, bounce light around, and add style with gorgeous decorative mirrors in various unique shapes and sizes. Weave, crochet, or even braid your own custom rugs to create a truly personalized and cozy floor covering. Paint a section of your wall or a door with chalkboard paint for an ever-changing canvas for notes and doodles. Create intricate and super modern string art designs on wooden boards using nails, colorful thread, and a bit of creativity. Craft unique and personalized candle holders using materials like rustic wood, elegant glass, or industrial metal. Revamp old or plain furniture pieces with bold, exciting paint colors and eye-catching patterns to create stunning transformations. Apply removable wall decals for instant room transformation. Build or embellish a custom headboard using reclaimed wood, plush fabric, or string lights for a stunning bedroom focal point. Create stylish hanging planters using macrame knots or other creative techniques to elevate and showcase your beloved houseplants. Design your very own coasters with paint, beautiful resin, or fun decoupage techniques. Protect your surfaces with absolute style. Make a functional and stylish bulletin board using cork, pretty fabric, or even an old frame. Customize it with pins, notes, and photos. Paint or decorate plain glass or ceramic vases to add a pop of color and personality to your room. Sew custom curtains or embellish store-bought ones with trim or paint to match your room's decor. Use large stencils and your favorite paint colors to add beautiful, intricate patterns or bold designs on walls. Create custom lampshades using interesting fabrics, textured paper, or even by painting an old one to give it a fresh look. Craft a practical and beautiful organizer for your jewelry using wood, wire, or even a branch. Collect smooth rocks and decorate them with intricate paint designs or words for a unique, natural, charming decor element. Make your own creative bookends using materials like painted bricks, shaped wood, industrial metal, or quirky toys set in concrete. Design your unique wall clock using a clock mechanism and materials like a wooden slice or painted canvas. Create enchanting terrariums with glass containers, soil, succulents, moss. Paint, tile, or embellish trays to create a stylish and functional decor piece for your coffee table, vanity, or entryway. Craft personalized picture frames using simple wood, decorated cardboard, or even twigs for a rustic, charming touch. Paint a stunning mural directly on your wall to create a bold, artistic, and completely personalized statement in your space. Sew a beautiful quilt with your favorite fabrics and patterns for a cozy and sentimental addition to your bed or sofa. Let's dive into creating melodic wind chimes. Use materials like painted metal pipes, driftwood, colorful beads, or tinkling shells. Add unique embellishments like tassels, pom-poms, embroidery, or iron-on designs to plain pillows. This gives them a custom high-end look. Let's make some creative and functional wall hooks. Use painted wood, repurposed drawer knobs, bent cutlery, or even industrial pipes. Decorate plain glassware. Think drinking glasses, jars, or bottles with glass paint for a personalized, colorful touch. Design another wall clock, perhaps this time using unexpected items like an old vinyl record, bicycle wheel, or a book. Weave, crochet, or sew your own beautiful baskets from rope, yarn, or fabric for stylish storage. Perfect for tidying up. Create interesting textured wall panels using reclaimed wood, fabric sections, or even carved foam for an architectural accent. So sophisticated. Make your own beautiful candles with unique scents, colors, and embedded botanicals for a truly personalized and ambient glow. Craft unique wall sconces using wood, metal, or repurposed items to add beautiful accent lighting to your space. Decorate ceramic tiles with special paints or markers for a custom backsplash, unique coasters, or art pieces. Try fluid art, collage, or a large-scale abstract piece. Try dip-dyeing plain white curtains, adding bold geometric painted patterns, or creating elegant tiebacks using unexpected materials. Build unique wall shelves using industrial pipes and wood, leather straps and planks, or repurposed crates for stylish storage. Craft enchanting lanterns using paper cutouts, tin cans with punched designs, or glass jars adorned with beads for magical lighting. Create your own custom decals with contact paper, or use smaller decals to create a beautiful patterned wallpaper effect. Try a no-sew braided t-shirt rug or a painted canvas floor cloth for a durable and stylish statement piece. Let's create another fabric wall hanging, maybe a macro weave combining macrame and weaving, or a large dip-dyed tapestry. And there you have it. 50 incredible DIY room decor ideas to spark your creativity and help you craft a space that is uniquely you. I'm so excited to see what you create. Remember, DIY is about having fun and expressing yourself. Even if it's not perfect, it's special because it's made by you. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out and getting inspired. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas. Until next time, keep creating and making your world